Hey everybody, this is Cindy McGee with SimpleStepsForLivingLife.com. I'm here to tell you about do an unboxing for Yode watches. They're wooden watches. They're beautiful, and they're sponsoring a post on my vlog where I'm going to offer a $100 gift certificate giveaway. And so this is just an unboxing video because this packaging is really cool that the box came in. Anyway, kind of a neat box. It's got this, I don't want to show my address. And then it's got the name of the brand. It's pronounced Yode, but that's how it's spelled. And they're at woodwatches.com. This particular watch is the Dover. Let me get it up here just a moment, please. Anyway, it's cedarwood, and let me check what else it is. And dark sandalwood. I almost just said sandalwood. I'm not sure if there's a difference. But my husband would know because he loves doing woodworking. He's literally hand carved a rocking horse. And I don't mean those little teeter-totter things. I mean, it's on a glider. It's amazing. And he built a lot of our furniture when we first got married because we were broke. And he does beautiful work. So anyway, I was looking at these watches back at Christmas time because I thought, oh, I'd love to get one of those watches for him for Christmas. He would really appreciate that. And then, ironically, the brand reached out to me. And I'm so happy they did because these are going to be beautiful. Okay, so here's the cool packaging it comes in when it's shipped to you. It's free shipping, by the way. And let's see here. Has a protective thing. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Check that out. Ta-da! I like that. That's really good packaging concepting there. Wow. Okay, check this out. Apparently it comes in this really pretty box you can keep it in, which is nice. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, sorry. I'll let you see too. Isn't that nice? Look at this beautiful watch. My husband loves watches. He collects watches. They're just one of his favorite things. And this is real wood that somehow they make into a watch. I don't know how. It's amazing. So like I said, this is the Dover series. And they have a little card to show you where you can find them on social media. Yep. Oh, look at that. And if you share, oops, there we go. Maybe that's focused now. I don't know. It says that if you share your photos on social media, use our hashtag #YodeWatch for a chance to be featured on our feeds and website. That's pretty cool. And then, oh, it comes with this cleaning cloth, which is so nice. This is like probably the nicest watch we'll ever own. And then this little box in the back where it looks like it has room to, you know, breathe and stuff, I guess you could say. Gosh, this is so cool. Okay, if you're a woodworker at all, or you have someone that is a woodworker in your family, this would be an awesome gift because this is just amazing. I don't know if you can see how this is on the inside. All right, that's really pretty. I'm loving it. And I know my husband will love it. So, and then they were so nice that they didn't just send one watch, but it's kind of like a couple's Valentine's Day post that I'm going to do. Like, what kind of gift? These would be awesome to get each other for a Valentine's Day gift. And it's kind of a simple, you know, gift to give that people are going to use every day. Everybody loves watches, and I know I love watches. I haven't had one in a long time because I just haven't found one that I really like. I'm like, that's the one I'm going to wear every day kind of thing. But I picked out a watch that I really think I will wear every day. The first one I've ever seen that I'm like, that's it. That's the watch. And it's called the Frankie, and it's made of ebony. Yeah, the wood ebony. If you're like into different types of cool woods, then you know that's kind of a big deal. And it's also made of, it says ebony and gold. I'm not sure if it's real gold or if it's the highlights. Let me see. Let's see here. I'm going to try that. It says a sapphire crystal glass. Case with this. Okay, I'm not sure. It says it's splash proof, but you don't really want to get it in water. It should not be submerged in water. Ooh. And it's pre-treated, I can't speak, pre-treated with tung oil, so it should last longer. And this watch comes in this really cool box. So pretty. It's like getting jewelry. See, I don't have trouble opening it, sorry. Oh, just because I'm trying to slide it through and you're actually supposed to do this. Yeah, I just was born yesterday, so excuse me. Look how pretty this is. Look at that pretty watch. I can't believe it's made of ebony. It's amazing. Oh, how pretty. It's so cool. It's got a little protective cover on it. And it has this really cool little tag. Oh, I love this. This one's mine. I don't know if I should wear it yet, though. I mean, I'm going to wear it when my husband's not around. And then I told him this is what we're getting each other for Valentine's Day this year. And so I have to pretend like I haven't opened it yet until like Valentine's Day. Shh, don't tell. Anyway, isn't this gorgeous? I can't believe this is made of ebony. I love this watch. It matches my outfit right now. It matches pretty much anything I wear, which is nice. I love it. It's gorgeous. Oh, nice. It has little replacement parts if needed. Probably won't be needed, but if I wear it for 20 years, maybe in 20 years it might be needed. And then, look at this. So thank you. It's so nice. I'm telling you, the people that the lady that I've been talking with from Yode is just so sweet on email and everything. And this is just great. I love watches now. I love these watches. I guess I'm being snobby, but I really do love these watches. Like, you're not going to find this anywhere. That's ebony. It's so cool. And I love what this one came in as well. I mean, that's so fancy. So cool. So, there you have it. There's the unboxing video for Yode watches. And if you want to find them online, they're at www.wood. I'm reading it off the thing. They're at www.woodwatches.com. So check them out and check them out on social media. Again, here's another little guy here. Yode watch. Tag them. Show them some love. It is getting close to Valentine's Day. We should show them some love. And have a great day. Thanks for visiting. Again, this is Cindy McGee with Simple Steps for Living Life.